Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today introducing the Riley Erm series was a range of motor cars produced by the British manufacturer Riley between 1945 and 1955. The Erm series represented some of the final independently designed models by Riley before the company was fully absorbed into the British Motor Corporation (BMC). The series included several models known for their elegant styling, quality craftsmanship, and advanced engineering for the time. Key models in the series included the Riley RMA, RMB, RMC, RMD, and RMF, each catering to different segments of the post-war luxury car market. 1. Riley Erm Series Heritage 1945-1955. The Erm series was notable for several engineering innovations, including independent front suspension, rare for cars of the time, high-performance 1.5-liter and 2.5-liter engines, based on Riley's pre-war engine designs. Wood and leather interiors, emphasizing luxury and traditional craftsmanship. The different models offered variations in body styles, such as sports roadsters and drophead coupes. Enthusiasts particularly revere the Riley RMC, a 2.5-liter roadster designed for export to the US market, and the RMD, a convertible version of the 2.5-liter RMB saloon. 2. Riley Erm Series Legacy in 2025 80th Anniversary. In 2025, classic car enthusiasts are celebrating the 80th anniversary of the Riley Erm series. The Riley Erm Club and Riley Motor Club are leading these celebrations with events across the UK. 8. Riley Erm Club Events 2025. Practical Classics Classic Car Restoration Show, March 21 to 23, 2025. Held at the National Exhibition Centre (NEC) in Birmingham, this event is one of the largest gatherings for classic car restoration. The Riley Erm Club will showcase several pristine RM models and offer advice on restoration. Visitors can find them at Hall 4, Stand 4 to 765. Source: Riley Erm Club, 80th Anniversary Rally, Summer 2025. A special road run and classic car meet is planned in the Cotswolds, bringing together Erm owners and their cars from across Europe. Participants can take part in driving tours, concours competitions, and expert talks on Erm series restoration. B. Riley Motor Club Centenary National Rally, June 2025. In addition to the Erm series 80th anniversary, the Riley Motor Club will celebrate its Centenary National Rally and AGM. Key events include June 26, 2025, welcome event with a coffee gathering at the British Motor Museum, Gaydon. June 27, 2025, scenic road run through rural Warwickshire, showcasing the driving elegance of classic Rileys. June 28, 2025, gala dinner and formal celebrations at Woodland Grange, Leamington Spa. Source: Riley Motor Club. 3. Restoration and ownership in 2025. Owning a Riley Erm in 2025 remains a cherished hobby for classic car enthusiasts. With parts becoming rarer, clubs like the Riley Erm Club are invaluable resources for sourcing parts, technical advice, and community support. The club also publishes a quarterly magazine, Riley Record, featuring restoration stories, technical tips, and historical articles. 4. Is there a modern 2025 Riley Erm model? As of 2025, no new Riley Erm series vehicle exists from a modern automaker. The Riley brand, which became part of BMC and later British Leyland, has been dormant since the late 1960s. However, interest in the brand's revival persists, and several independent restomod companies have produced electric and modernized versions of RM models using contemporary engines and drivetrains. 5. Riley Erm series in popular culture. The Erm series, especially the Riley RMB and RMC, has appeared in numerous period films and TV series depicting post-war Britain. Car collectors worldwide value them for their unique combination of performance, style, and history. Would you like me to help you find images or resources for attending one of these 2025 events? Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.